Well, good morning, my all genius grade 1 students. Welcome back to our science online class. I hope you guys are doing great this morning and hope you guys are ready for our science class right away. Well, we are going to study Unit 6 today, which is about hearing sounds. Do you hear sounds? Do you hear it? Do you hear that? Okay, so those are the sounds, and you can hear the sounds by using your two ears, right? So we can hear sounds by using our two ears. We have two ears, right? The left and the right. Okay, so sounds comes from everywhere or everything. Sound comes from everywhere and everything, okay? So my question right here is, where do sounds come from? Okay, where do sounds come from? As I told you, sound comes from everywhere, from everything. Okay, for example, people. So people can also make sound, right? When you are crying, you make sound, right? When you are coughing, right? It's also sound. When you are sneezing, so this is also a sound that you're making. For example, right here, Amy is singing. So when Amy is singing, Amy is making a sound. We can hear the sound from Amy, okay? We can hear her voice from there, okay? The animals can also make sounds. Your dog is barking. So when your dog is barking, we can hear a sound of the dog, right? Okay. Like the elephant is eating something. The elephant catch the plants, and elephant eats. So it can also make a crunchy sound. Okay. Even though the cat is crying, the other bird is singing, so we can also hear the sound. So sound comes from people, from animals, and other things. A car, when you start your car, it makes sound as well. Okay, right? Train, yeah, train make loud sound. TV, so when you turn on your TV, you can hear also the sound that TV is playing. So right, you can hear the sound. And radio, when you play the radio, you can hear the sound from it, right? So the sounds come from everywhere and from everything. Okay, so people, animals, and other things make sounds. Okay, so I could say everything. When something touch each other or bump each other, crush each other, it makes sound, right? A thing makes sound is called a sound source. When I'm talking, my voice is a sound source. When I'm clapping my hand, clapping hand is also a sound source. The bird is singing on the tree. The voice of the bird singing is also a sound source. When you are starting your car, the sound of your car is also a sound source. Okay? Right. This is what we are studying today. We are talking about hearing sounds and where do sounds come from. Okay, so please open your book to page 52. You will see more activities right here. Okay? You can see the picture right here. You can see birds, you can see the baby boys crying, you can see a lady is closing the door. Even closing the door, you can also make sounds, right? Okay, so there are many things or activities that make sounds. So just go to page 52, you will see the picture and you can describe that one, okay? So I'll give you task 1, 2 after learning this one. I want you all to copy first. So copy after watching this video and go to our task 1. So when you are done with your copying, please say, I am done, teacher, and then I will drop task 1 in our group, okay? I will let you find Okay, I will let you find the activity, or I want you to circle something in your book here, which picture that makes sounds. Okay, so I'll give you more instruction in our Telegram so that you will be able to do your task 1 pretty well. Okay, well, so I'll see you in the second video clip. Hi again, my all beloved grade 1 students. Welcome to our second episode of our series. In this session, I'll give you the task 2 to complete right now. Okay, and thank you for doing task 1 perfectly. Okay, so right now coming on to our task 2. Task 2 is in your textbook. Please turn to page 53, activity 6.1. So you will see this picture activity right here. You are going to describe the pictures. What is the sound that the people here are making? So listening to the sounds. Freddy is using his ears to listen to the sounds. What can he hear? Okay, so this is Freddy. So can you just tell me or describe the picture? What can Freddy hear from the other stuff right here? Okay, so try to read the instruction carefully and then do this one. Okay, following these questions, I'll ask you all these questions and you can just write the answer in your notebook. Okay, so there are some questions right here. Okay, so try to read this one. If you have any doubts, please ask teacher. Teacher will be right there to help you all the time. Okay, so go to your textbook to page 53. Go to activity 6.1. You will see your task right there. Try to read the instruction carefully and then start doing your task. When you are done with it, please submit it to my personal Telegram. I'll check and mark on it. Okay, so that is all of my second video clip. I'll see you in the last video clip. Enjoy! Hi there, welcome to our last episode of our lesson. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick review before going to the homework. So today we are studying about hearing sounds. And as you know, sound comes from people, sound comes from animal, sound comes from other things, right? People make sound, like people are singing, people are crying, those are sound. Talking, or you're doing something with your own activities, they also make sounds, right? Clapping hands, singing, talking, so those are the sounds. And the thing that makes sound, that is called a sound source. Okay, even animals, like the dog is barking, the dog also makes sounds. The car, when you start your car, it also makes sounds, right? So these are the stuff that make sounds, and these are the sounds come from. Okay, so animal, people, and other things make sounds, and the thing makes sound is called a sound source. Okay, right, so right now go to our homework. Please open your workbook to page 26. You will see the exercise right there. This is going to be your homework. Okay, read your instruction right here carefully and then you can start doing it. Okay, where do sound comes from? In this exercise, you can show that you know which things are sound sources. So you can just color the sound sources. You use any color that you like to color the sound sources right here. Okay, like the bird is singing, so you can color that one so that is notice that is a sound source. Okay, so do your homework and then submit it to me before the next lesson start. Okay, any doubts or questions that you don't understand with your homework, please let me know. I'm gonna be right there to help you. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my lesson so far, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, see you next week.